And I'm Justin.
And this is Ohayo Gozaimasu, THK Manufacturing of America's series on Japanese language and culture. Today, we are going to take a look at and taste one of Japan's most famous foods, sushi.
That's right. Sushi is a food that originated in Japan, but has become very popular in other countries. And of course, you can even find it in most supermarkets here in the US these days.
So, are there any differences between sushi in America and sushi in Japan?
Yes, but it's possible to find authentic sushi in America as well. And there are also kinds of American sushi, like the California roll, that have been brought back to Japan and have been very popular over there for the past 10 years or so.
We have some authentic sushi here with us today. Is there anything you can tell us about the sushi?
Yes. Some people think that sushi means raw fish, but the only requirement for sushi is that there's vinegar and rice, and maybe sometimes some sugar and salt. The raw fish on its own is called sashimi.
Are there any kinds of authentic Japanese sushi that doesn't contain raw fish?
Yes, and here today we have several varieties. We have cooked shrimp, shrimp tempura, which is fried shrimp, grilled eel, and egg, and that is chicken egg, not fish egg. Here's a roll that includes only cucumber, and all of these can be found at most sushi shops in Japan, as well as America.
So I've heard sushi called nigiri sushi. What does that mean?
Okay, nigiri means squeezed. So nigiri sushi is the simplest kind of sushi, just sushi rice and a topping squeezed together. And it's probably the most common and most popular kind of sushi in Japan, more popular than the rolls.
And the rolls are called maki, right?
Yes, so nigiru is to squeeze, maku is to roll, so nigiri sushi is squeezed sushi and maki sushi is rolled sushi.
Awesome. Okay, well, I'm getting hungry, so let's talk about what we have today and let's eat.
All right, for that, we have some special guests today. I've invited our president, Mr. Sugimoto, and the new vice president on the LM side, Mr. Morita, and they're going to tell us about the sushi that we have today. Guys?
Konnichiwa.
Mr. Morita, can you tell us what nigiri sushi we have?
はい、わかりました。マグロ、鮭、鮭、サーモン、ハマチ、エビ、うなぎ、卵。
And President Sugimoto, can you tell us the names of the maki sushi?
エビフライ巻き、イクラの軍艦巻き、鉄火巻き、カッパ巻き。
Toshi, why do they call cucumber sushi kappa?
カッパ巻きはキュウリ巻きとも呼ばれています。カッパという生き物がキュウリが好きなのでカッパ巻きと言われています。
What kind of animal is a kappa?
カッパは日本の池や沼に住んでいて頭の上にお皿がついてる生き物です。そのお皿に水がなくなると死んでしまいます。
I'd like to ask you a few questions about sushi. Please give us your honest answers. First, what is your favorite kind of sushi, even if it is not a kind that we have here today?
私はハマチかホタテです。
トロが好きです。
Is there any sushi that you dislike?
ありません。
玉。卵です。
卵。はい。
甘いですから。
はい、わかりました。
In Japan, how often do you eat sushi?
私は月に2回ぐらいです。
私は月に1回です。
Where you lived in Japan, were there any unique regional varieties of sushi?
関西地方には、押し寿司という寿司がたくさんありました。
山口県はないですけど、まあ、フグの寿司は結構出てました。
Do you often eat sushi in America?
めったに食べません。
私はまだ来たばっかりですが、天助で寿司を買って食べました。
What American foods do you like?
チキンウィングです。
まだ日が浅いですけど、まあ、ステーキは好きです。
Looking at this sushi, what do you think? Does anything look interesting to you?
エビフライ巻きが、海苔が中に巻いてあるのが気になります。
他は日本と同じ握り方です。
Now, let's have President Sugimoto and Mr. Morita choose the sushi that they want for lunch. We'll pause the video for a few seconds after each of their selections. Can you find the right sushi?
ハマチ、卵、うなぎ、エビ、サーモン、
イクラの軍艦巻き、鉄火巻き、かっぱ巻き、
Here is a question for our audience to review the content of our first episode. Do you remember the Japanese expression that is often said before a meal?
いただきます。
What did you think of the sushi today?
とても美味しかったです。
日本の寿司と変わりなく食べれました。美味しかったです。
Thanks for watching.
I hope you guys thought that looked tasty. It was tasty. It was absolutely delicious. If you've had sushi before, we'd like to know down in the comments, so please let us know what you've tried. Or if you've never had sushi before, we'd like to know what you'd be interested in trying in the future.
And if you've never had sushi before, what of the sushi we showed you looked the most delicious to you?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.
And stay tuned for more episodes.
Bye!
Bye-bye.